Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or my crazy wild story times. So if you've been around for a while, you're one of those OGs, my homegirls, my homeboys. If y'all been around for a while, then y'all know that I really love taupes and golds and chocolates. So I wanted to create a look incorporating all those colors. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Also, all the makeup that's used in order to create this look will be listed down below in the description box, and the lashes as well. So once again, if you'd like to see how I create this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, first things first, I've already gone in and carved out my eyebrow, and I've also added a light layer of concealer to the main part of the lid just to get a little tackiness. That way the eyeshadow will stay in place. Now we're going to start out by using the BH Cosmetics 42 color matte palette, and we're going to pick up this color here. And like I said before, and the way I like to do my eyeshadows, I always lay my colors down first and then we blend later at the end. So we're going to go in with that chocolate brown. I like to tap my brush a little bit to get some of the fallout off. And I'm just going to start packing it in the crease, because I want this to be the darkest part of the eye. In a little bit. We're going to leave the center part of the lid open for the other color. So it's pretty much like a halo look. So we're pulling some in the corner, and we're just going to outline the ball of the eye with that shade. This eyeshadow look is also very beginner friendly. Not really too much detail to how to create this look. Now we're going to kind of pull that chocolate brown up a little bit. Once again, placing our colors where we want them to be. Then we're also going to take that same chocolate brown and we're going to smoke out that bottom lash line. And pull it to the outer corner. Now what I want to do is go back in with that brown, and I want to really kind of wing this out a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of flick it just to kind of give it some shape, and then drag it back in. Once again, flick it out, and then drag it back in. I'm just going to pull that on around so it should look something like that. Now the next color we're going to go in with is this shade here, which is right above that brown we just finished using. We're just going to take that color and place it right above this brown to kind of soften up that line. And we're pulling that color upwards. Do some small circles just to kind of blend it out just a little bit. Now with that same brush, we're going to go in and pick up this orangey shade here. And we're going to place that right above that one and kind of pull it downwards a little bit, just to warm up the eye some. And what's left on this brush, we're just going to dust it right underneath where we smoked out that lower lash line. Just to, like I said before, just to like warm the eye up a bit and flick that out some. Now I feel like this brown is not looking the way I want to right here, so I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that chocolate brown and I'm going to flick it out one more time just to kind of even that out some. And then what's left, I'm just going to pack it into the crease. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a flat angled brush and we're going to pick up this black and we're going to tight line the waterline of our lower lid. We're not going to place it all the way to the center corner, but almost. Now we're going to go in with a fluffy brush and we're going to pick up just a little bit of this shade. I want to kind of tap this one because I don't want a lot. And we're going to lightly dust right underneath the brow. Okay, now we're going to take a fluffy brush and we're just going to soften this edge of this dark brown up just a tad so it kind of flows a little bit better into the other shade. So now for the fun part, we're going to go in with my Ride or Die Struggle palette, and that is the IMagic Palette. All the makeup used to create this look will be listed down below in the description box, as well as how you can purchase the lashes that we will be using today. So once again, my Ride or Die Struggle palette, the IMagic palette, and we're going to take this beautiful gold here and we're just going to pack it right in the center of the eye. Also going to take a bit of this and then we're going to pick up that same brush that we packed the gold on, not picking up any more eyeshadow, and just lightly flick it across the brown and pulling it together. So now we're going to go in with our liquid eyeliner, and I really want to give this look a really dramatic cat wing, so we're flicking it out a little bit further than I normally do. We're going to add some mascara. And the lashes I chose for this look are these beautiful Nadia lashes that taper in the inner corners and flare on the outer corners. They're very light and flirty. I'll also have down below where you can purchase yourself your own pair. Let's pop these girls on and finish this look. So yes, we're just going to pull this outer corner up a little bit, and we're going to bring the inner corner of the lashes all the way down to the lash line to give you that very snatched feline look to the eye. And that completes the look. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below of which parts that you liked the most, or did you like this tutorial at all. I hope so. Yes, yes, yes. And if you have time, skip on over to Instagram and follow me at Shavonne.Ritchie, and I will see y'all guys next time.